Want to know what happens when you literally disable email categories in Gmail? As you can see here, guys, I have a bunch of different categories available. I have the primary, promotion, social, and the updates. Now, I'm going to go ahead and disable, for example, the updates, right? And I'm going to show you what happened. So, all you have to do in order to disable these is basically click the settings on the upper right hand side, then click on see all settings, go to your inbox, and you can go ahead and uncheck the ones that you no longer need. So if you go ahead and you uncheck, for example, let's say the updates, and I go down and I click, for example, save, guess what? It's going to load and it's going to put all of those emails under my inbox. Now the reason why I'm showing you this is because having those different categories enabled allows you to organize your emails much better, and it no longer clutters your inbox, and so you'll have those different emails in different categories so that you can address them whenever you need. Now as you can see, I have all of those updates here under my main primary inbox, and so it is much better to have those category enabled. So I'm going to go back here into my all settings under my inbox and simply enable updates. Then go ahead and click and save at the bottom, because guess what? I rather to have my updates in the update section, social stay where they are, promotions stay where they are, and guess what? My primary mails are under here. And it looks so much cleaner and so much better. If you found this useful, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.